Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to edit your image in Grok AI. I didn't realize how flexible Grok's image editor was until I actually tried tweaking one of my own photos. If you want to edit an image using Grok AI, head straight to Imagine. That's where all the creative tools live. I usually start by clicking Upload File and selecting the image I want to work on. Once it loads in, let's tap on the image and choose the Edit Image option. Now this is where it gets interesting. You'll need to describe what you want to change. For example, I uploaded a photo of a cat and type, make the cat close its eyes as if it's blinking. Within seconds, Grok generated edited versions based on that instruction. If you want more precise results, be more specific in your prompt, lighting, mood, expression, even background adjustments. Sometimes you'll get multiple variations to choose from, which I personally like because I can compare results. If it's not perfect, I just refine the prompt and try again. It really feels like you're collaborating with AI rather than just clicking buttons. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.